Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super helpful for those looking to build or rebuild their credit: how to apply for a Discover secured credit card. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more financial tips and tricks. Let's get started. First off, what's a secured credit card? It's a card that requires a deposit as collateral, which makes it easier to get approved if you have little or no credit history. The Discover secured card is a great option because it has no annual fee and reports to all three major credit bureaus, helping you build credit over time. Why should you consider applying? Well, it's perfect for establishing good credit habits. You can earn rewards on your purchases, and once you've shown responsible use, you might even get upgraded to an unsecured card. Plus, Discover offers tools like free FICO credit score monitoring to track your progress. Now, let's walk through the application process step by step. Step 1. Check your eligibility. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid social security number, and be able to make a security deposit, which typically ranges from $200 to $2,500. Step 2. Gather your documents. You'll need basic info like your full name, address, date of birth, and income details. Don't worry, the application is straightforward and can be done online. Step 3. Head to the Discover website. Go to their secured card page, click Apply Now, and fill out the form. Be honest and accurate with your information to avoid any delays. Step 4. Make your security deposit. Once approved, you'll deposit the amount you choose, which becomes your credit limit. A few tips to keep in mind. Always read the fine print, and remember to pay your bills on time to build that credit score quickly. Avoid applying for multiple cards at once, as that can hurt your credit inquiry. There you have it. Applying for a Discover secured card is a smart move toward financial health. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.